Hi, my name is Aniska Chikhalya. I'm from the Department of Microbiology and Immunology, and today I'll talk to you about understanding the relationship, the race to find a cure. So imagine you wake up one morning with a slight sore throat and a cough. 2 days later, you feel fine, you feel better. However, your sister who lives with you starts showing symptoms, and she takes a little longer, up to 5 days, to recover from those symptoms. At the same time, both of you, while sick, visited your father, and for him, the situation is a little bit more dire, and he has to be rushed to the hospital. And so, upon being tested, all three of you are told by your doctors that you tested positive for the novel coronavirus. And so the question some might ask is this, in part, seeing these different symptoms in people just significant in novel coronavirus? The answer to that would be no. The virus I study in my lab, called adenovirus, also has a similar situation. You would also experience a similar situation where people, about 90% of people, will have very mild symptoms like a cold or a pink eye, whereas about 10% could have fatal situations where they would have to be hospitalized. And so the big question that a lot of scientists have asked is, what is the reason? And so that in part has to do with our immune system. And so the immune system is akin to a country's military. That is, that the military is situated to help countries during the time of war. It's divided into different factions, such as the Navy and the Air Force, that play a significant role in protecting the country. Similarly, our immune system is also made up of multiple components, such as proteins and antibodies that play a significant role in protecting us during time of infection. And so what I'm studying specifically in the lab is one such protein called interferon-induced protein with tetratricopeptide repeats 3, or IFIT3, which is an immune protein. And what I'm studying is in the context of adenovirus replication. And so this is the ability for the virus to grow. And what I've shown in lab is that this protein is able to stop the virus from growing or making more of itself. Now, what viruses want to do when they enter our cells is make more of themselves, spread from cell to cell and then from human to human. And this protein has been shown to stop this. And this is a key finding for us, not only in the context of developing therapeutics and or vaccines, but also in the context of maybe using this protein to study more significantly infectious pathogens or other viruses, such as influenza, which causes more death than maybe adenovirus in a year. And so with that, I'd like to leave you all with this. The race to find the cure is really long. However, you can protect yourselves by performing good hand hygiene and getting your vaccinations. Thank you.